Hello, my name is Yuki Demura, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DOOMFIST gauntlet out of cardboard. I have glued all the fingers and the basic hand structure together. Started with my fist. So yeah, we're just going to work on getting the rest of the armor plating onto the DOOMFIST. Decided to re-record this last bit since yesterday. As you can see, I changed clothing. So I'm going to talk about a little bit what I did to make this DOOMFIST. So it's basically boiled down into three parts for the base structure. So I had the main central tube, which is right here, and I decided just to make that about 3 inches from, or 2 inches from your wrist up down to your elbow. You can make it longer or shorter depending on how long your arm is if you decide to for mobility. But I believe that's a good positioning so that when you put it on, that my wrist is actually right here. So my wrist and my fingertips go up to around here. So it's not terribly out of length of my actual hand, but it looks like my arm is much longer as the actual DOOMFIST character in Overwatch does. So I did, this is the main forearm structure. Then the palm part is just basically another tube, but just squished down a bit. And what I did for the fingers is I cut strips and I fold it into 3 creases, as you can see on that finger right here. How it's just kind of an open space underneath it. I don't think it's necessary to really put too much details. The reason I did this because I think it would look cool, And if you're trying to do like a stylized cosplay, I think you'll do fine. You can paint this. I'm gonna leave it unpainted because I'm gonna be doing a series of cardboard cosplays. Specifically, I'm gonna go through all the Overwatch characters and kind of make a part or make the entire cosplay with all the props made out of cardboard to show that you can have fun with cosplay. You can do some cool things with cosplay, especially cosplay with cardboard for really cheap. This entire hand cost me like $2, and $2 and a little bit of like creativity, you can make a decent looking prop. So it really is just, I built the actual fist part, and then I added the armor platings on it. I actually added some cardboard risers. I don't know if you can see that right there, but I added cardboard risers to give it the more three-dimensional feeling to it. The knuckle spikes are just little tiny pyramids. Those actually were recycled bits from when I was trying to carve the fingers, because I was cutting a whole bunch of triangles, and I actually just reused those and made the knuckle part. So I was very efficient with my cardboard usage. A little bit of glue threads over all over the place. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with this, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more characters from Overwatch. I think I'm gonna be doing a Mercy next. I'm debating whether I want to do her staff or her wings out of cardboard. I think the wings will look pretty cool out of cardboard, but I don't know if I want to. But I really do want to make that staff. Okay, this concludes the DOOMFIST Gauntlet. If you like this content, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys next week.